This is the second part of the Kernel Slack to Teams migration software. In this part, we will provide a detailed guide to migrating Slack channels to Teams. Launch the Kernel Slack to Teams migration software. Click on Get Started in Slack Migration tile on the software's homepage. In the source, Slack Wizard, click on Add to map Slack users one by one. Also, click Import CSV to upload a CSV file containing username and user auth token. In the following window, select CSV file and click Open. The software will validate the user auth token and show that CSV is imported and validated successfully message. Click OK. If you have added multiple Slack users, utilize the search box to find selective users and click Next. In the destination, Microsoft Teams wizard, enter project name and Teams credentials. The software will start fetching Teams users. The software will pop up user mapping for direct messages and channels between source and users. Use the search option to find specific users, map them with the destination user, and click Next. In the Source Entities to Migrate window, select Slack Channels, and check Private and Public Channels. Select Teams and Slack channels will be migrated and click Next. The software will start fetching Microsoft Teams and channels. The software will pop up Slack channels and Teams mapping wizard, use search box to find specific channels, and apply necessary options. The software will start migrating channels to Microsoft Teams. You will get Migration is completed message in the toolbar. Click OK. To download a detailed migration report, click on Save as Report. Select the CSV file saving location, enter the CSV file name, and click Save. Once the CSV file is saved, you will get Saved Successfully message and click OK. Click on Finish to end the migration process. Finally, click on Yes to end the migration process. With this step-by-step guide, you can easily migrate your entire Slack channels, including public channels and private channels, to Microsoft existing teams or new teams. Stay tuned for our next video to migrate Slack channels into Microsoft Teams Chat with ease. Have a great day.